the quantity of the aloe vera gel will be.
To my channel Heartfulness Om. So today's product review is review Fair and Lovely cream. So this cream is for ₹91, and it's like quantity is 50 gram. You can see I just recently purchased this. So this, I don't like the packing because this is not like it doesn't get closed properly in between, it just opens like that. So yeah, this is the cream. So yeah, this is a white color. Fragrance is like fine, like a soap. So it's like not bad or good, but it's okay. And you have to take only this much amount and apply it on your face like this. And I have been applying this cream on my face for like I think 1 month now, and I didn't see any like huge difference or like that, but it's okay. Like it just little bit dries out my face when I apply it on my face, but there is not see, you can see the difference. Let me show you. So if you apply Fair and Lovely on your face, you will notice the difference, because like it will be little bit of white color. You can see it will be like, it gives you matte finish. So you can see the difference. It will be like this side is of white color and this is like normal color. So yeah, this gives you matte finish, and this is for I think all skin types. Anyone can use this. And this video is not sponsored. It says that our best formula, Fair and Lovely Advanced Multivitamin Expert Fairness Solution, and direction to use direction to use dot over face and neck, gently massage in, use twice daily on clean face for best result. That means in the morning and before sleeping, you can say. And ingredients, it has water, palmitic acid, I don't know what is that, and this some acid substance, sodium and alcohol. This is made in India. If you are applying foundation on your face or like that, then you can apply this also. And this is not normal cream, not like, it's not expensive. It's of only, as you can see, 91 rupees, and it's okay, not bad or good. And quantity is like okay for ₹91, and it's for regular use. You can apply this on your face. It will not give you instant brightness. Yeah, it will give you instant little bit of brightness, but not a permanent solution. But it's okay to use for like normal days, for your, if you are going outside. So yeah, it's just a normal cream. And yeah, this was just a if I have to give marks to this cream, then I'll give 8 marks out of 10, because you can use it as on a regular basis. And if you can just like we apply foundation or matte finish creams, then it's okay to use this also. It's like normal cream for your regular use, and it will just give you instant little bit brightness. And just normal cream like other cream, not others. It's just a normal cream, and it will give you glow on your face from like I think morning to evening. And then as I told you, I give it 8 marks out of 10. Then yeah, I hope you like this review. If you have liked this review, then check out my channel for more videos on cooking, beauty, hairstyle, hair care, my vlogs and useful tips for life. And do subscribe to my channel to get videos update on your like YouTube homepage. And like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any question to ask. And follow me on Instagram, heartfulness_om, and go to my channel and check out more product reviews, more homemade face packs, and how to do hair spa at home, and all other products. I'll see you in my next video. I can't even close it. So this hack is like, this is a safety pin. What you need to do is just take the end point and put safety pin here, and this take the last point and safety pin like here. So yeah, you can just close it now, and you can see it's ready to wear. So now I'll wear it.